Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you are watching this, there is a good chance you need to get back a file you accidentally deleted. Do not worry, I'm here to help you recover it. I have been in the same situation before where I deleted files, emptied my recycle bin, and thought everything was gone. But the good news is that there is still a way to recover those files. Before we begin, let me explain what it actually means to delete a file. When you delete something, it does not immediately disappear. It stays in the same place on your storage device. What you're really doing is telling your system that the space can be reused for something else. Until that space is overwritten, the file is still recoverable. That is why you need to act quickly to have a better chance of getting your files back. I have connected my USB drive to my computer, and you can now see all the files on it. I am going to delete a few files so we can test whether we can recover them. I'll go ahead and delete these files. It asks if I am sure I want to permanently delete these 4 files. I will select yes. Let us open a web browser and search for overwrites AI download. Press enter and click on this link. This page allows you to download one of the best file recovery tools available. You can see here it says, do not download, install and run overwrites AI to the disk software data loss, as this may overwrite or corrupt the files you want to recover. Click on free download to download the setup. While click on it and run it as administrator. Select your language and click on OK. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Next, then click on Finish. Hover your mouse the drive you want to recover the files from and click on Start Scan. You can see quick scan completed. That's very fast. Let's wait for the scan progress to finish. Recovery complete. Now to get the files back, the program will ask you to purchase a license or register it. Visit their website. I will put the link in the description. Click on pricing. These are the plans: 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Just select the plan you want. Click buy now. And enter this exclusive coupon code, Ranphils 15. This will help you get an extra 15% off, valid for life. You can see the discount coupon has been added. The price went from $49 to $42. That's great. Go ahead and select your payment method. Input your details. Click on continue. After placing the order, you will receive an email containing a license code and activation instructions. Once you activate it, you can restore every file it found. I will paste my license key and click on register now. Now that the software is activated, just choose the files you want to bring back, then click on recover. Overwrites AI will save them to any folder you select. I will save it onto my desktop. Wait for it to finish. Recovery completed. Recovered 4 files. Click OK to view the recovered files. Click on the folder you recovered the files to. Select the quick scan folder. You can see clearly, here are the 4 files I deleted. If I open one of the files, you can see all the files are intact, no corrupted file. And that is it, guys. Once you have activated your overwrites AI and restored the files, you are back in control. Losing important documents, photos, or videos can be stressful. But with the right tool, recovery is always possible. If this video helped you get your files back, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful tech guides, and drop a comment if you want me to cover any other topics. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.